Hi, my name is Steven with Lexus of Concord. I am your technology specialist. Today I'm in a 2025 Lexus RZ. What I'm going to be demonstrating today is how to add a secondary profile to your vehicle so you can use it for another person. So the nice thing about this vehicle is when you're signed in with your profile, you have access to your set of car settings as well as other settings like radio stations, your seat settings, your mirror settings, and other vehicle settings that you have customized. So there is an option to add a secondary person. So if you have someone else that equally shares the vehicle, you can add their profile to the vehicle too, so they can have their own set of memory seat settings and radio stations and other things in the vehicle. So to do that, what you'll need to do is you'll be in your vehicle like we are now with it powered on. As you can see on the screen, I'm signed in to my profile. So now if I wanted to add a secondary profile to the vehicle, I'm going to click Add Profile here on this screen. And with the Lexus app open on another phone, you'll see the registered account pop up. So this is my other phone with another account on there. I'm going to go ahead and click on my name. It's going to ask me for my PIN number, which I have set up in the account. So I'll just go ahead and type that in now and hit Submit. And when I enter Submit, it should register my account. Now it's going to load and it's going to ask me if I want to save the profile. It also gives me a choice to overwrite the primary driver. We don't want to do this. We just want to save it as a secondary. So I'm going to hit Continue. Now, as you see, the system is going to save me as a secondary driver. And it's asking me if I'd like to pair my mobile device. So now you see we have two people in the system. And we can even register the keys to a person. So if I come up with my key and unlock the car, I can automatically have it unlock to my settings of the vehicle and move the seat automatically to me. And the other person can have their key where we can have the seat automatically adjust in all the settings. So to switch back to the other person, we would just click on the profile, then click on the other account. It's going to bring up the PIN number, and we'll enter the PIN for the other account to switch back. Again, you won't have to do this if you just come up with the linked key to the vehicle. So then we've switched now back to the primary driver's profile. That's a little bit about profiles in our vehicles and how to add a secondary profile for use. I hope this video helps in explaining. Feel free to reach out to me, Steven, here at Lexus of Concord, your technology specialist. I'm happy to help with any issues regarding your vehicle. Thanks again. Hope you have a wonderful day. Take care, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.